has Android version, that is Android 12. So guys, here we are with the box, the mighty Poco F4. So we'll check the box contents, we'll check the hardware and software specifications of this device, and then we'll have the comparison of Note8Pro and Poco F4, and we'll check how they perform in the terms of camera quality. So let's get started. So here on the flip side of this box, you can see there are some specifications mentioned. You can see that it has the Snapdragon 870, that is 3.2 GHz flagship processor, and it has the Reality Flow 120 Hz FDH E4 AMOLED display. So some of you who might not be knowing about it, this is the second best AMOLED display that you get in the market. And the usual, it has 64 MP AI triple camera, and it has the most powerful 67 watt turbocharge that you can get, and it can charge your device in 40 minutes or in under 45 minutes. So let's go inside and we'll check. So the first thing that you can see here, there's a mini box inside it, and this is our device, the Poco F4. And apart from that, we have the 67 watt charging adapter, and here you can see it has mentioned that it is a made in India product there. Okay, and we have this charging cable, and you have this USB to Type-C charging cable. Okay, now we'll check the mini box that we get, and inside that we have the SIM tray ejector too, and there we have the silicone case, a very sturdy one, a silicone case that usually all the manufacturers are providing these days. And there are some leaflets to know more about your device, do's and don'ts. And then we have this really tiny device, but a very useful one, and this is our Type-C to 3.5mm jack. Okay, so you might be like wondering why this adapter, and to answer that, you should know that our device doesn't have a 3.5mm jack, hence the adapter there. So this is our Poco, the sleek, the stylish, the very powerful Poco F4. And here you can see the logo Poco 5G, that is, this is a 5G ready phone. So here is the screen, the main screen on the device. On the right side we have the power button that doubles as the fingerprint scanner. We have the volume rocker, and on the left side there's nothing there. On the top part of the device you have the secondary microphone and the IR blaster, and at the bottom we have the SIM ejector tray. So that is the change here. Usually we have the SIM ejector on the left side. Here we have at the bottom of the device, we have the charging port and the speakers. So talking about the speakers, this has a Dolby dual speaker that is at the bottom of the device as well as at the top of the device. So we'll have a Dolby dual stereo experience here. So that's it about the hardware specification. Now let's boot up a device and let's check how the device is from the inside, that is from the software perspective. Here is the boot up of our device, the Poco, and it says powered by Android. So it seems that there is a very beautiful animation at the start of this device, the boot up of the device. So we'll just stick to it and we'll check the boot up animation here. As explained, this is a very mighty device with 128 gigs of internal memory. Okay, so it has the MIUI, a very beautiful animation there. And as explained, it has the 128 gigs internal memory, so it takes a decent amount of time to load up the UI, the things that are required for a day-to-day usage. So this is our first or the home page of this device. And without wasting any time, we'll just go to the settings and we'll check the internal specifications of it. So here you can see, as explained, E4 AMOLED display, a very bright and beautiful display. And here we have the MIUI version 13, and that is a 13.0.3, a globally stable version. And we have this 128 gigs internal memory, that is the ROM. And we have this all spec that will give us the RAM size. It has a 6 gigs RAM that is virtually expandable with 2 GB and Snapdragon 870 octa-core processor, and which has a max clock speed of 3.2 GHz. It has Android version, that is Android 12, and that is the animation of our Android 12. And yep. So yeah, that's it about this device, the internal specifications. And we have this triple camera AI camera setup, and the primary camera that we get here is a 64 megapixel OIS, optically image stabilized camera. So that's it about this device, the internal and the external specifications, that is the hardware and the software. We'll just compare the camera quality and we'll check which one performs best, the Beast F4 or its older version, that is the Note8Pro. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do keep your comments so that with your feedbacks we can improve and make more such videos, and the videos that you might like and you want to watch more. So thank you, take care, bye bye, see you all in the next video.